Hello, I am Shantanu, co founder of Blue Power. Blue Power is a clean energy startup developing cost effective, reliable, and sustainable hydroelectric solutions. The world is fighting against climate change, and we need to urgently focus on shifting our energy sources towards renewables. We are enabling a faster shift towards renewable energy sources, and small hydropower seems to be among the most lucrative markets for this change, with an estimated market worth of $3 billion by 2024. We have designed an innovative ready to install module which generates electricity by producing a water vortex. This water vortex rotates our turbine, which is coupled to a generator, which in turn produces clean energy. Previously, concrete structures have been used to divert water for developing a vortex for power generation. We have improved on this by manufacturing the entire structure within labs, thus eliminating the need for huge concrete civil works. This has also enabled us to get a better efficiency as per CFD results. We have presently developed our minimum viable product and shall be testing it in Indian labs before deployment. We are actively looking for piloting opportunities and aim to develop our first pilot within February 2022. We have found innovative applications of our hydropower module which may be used within watershed management structures. Watershed management has many benefits including continuous recharge of groundwater, and we promote developing techniques for watershed management and integrating blue power hydro modules within these structures. We are also looking to improve existing plant efficiencies of thermal power plants by generating clean energy from wastewater lines. This concept can be similarly expanded to water treatment plants and production units having large wastewater outputs. We are working towards realizing United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 7, which is ensuring access to affordable, reliable, and sustainable modern energy for all, as well as goal number 13, which is taking urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. We are also looking to develop urban infrastructure by integrating our hydropower modules within canal systems of cities and urban areas. This will enable extract clean energy from these existing water systems. We aim to ultimately develop autonomous modules being remotely operated by an AI by incorporating industrial Internet of Things for remote operation. We also intend to develop a forecast system for predicting stream flow rates, which will help in operating the plant and schedule power production. This will be most valuable for drought affected areas where there is a seasonal flow. We empower a carbon negative economy.